Former Asante Kotoko chairman Herbert Mensah and yesawo the former Kumasi Asante Kotoko chairman Dr. Kiki Sapon. Now mpanyinfoɔ mmienu yi, according to former public relations officer of the club Listowell Yesu Bukasin no, these in recent years are the best chairman for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na Ogum nsensem ya sorry ya say 4 games Kotoko lose what na de be hu na 5 games Kotoko ntimi wi ni ye no. The former PRO or say on waye adwuma ni bi pen na de ekoso no untimi embleme Ogum nko a, but once say Kotoko is operating without a board and a substantive management. Listowell no ehunu say the problem is got to do with structures. Maybe no abra na Dr. KK Sapon ewo ho no Kotoko ekọ nanim pa e na abra na opanyin a yefre no Herbert Mensah ewo ho no Kotoko ekọ nanim pa sa 2 times ni nyina no, according to the veteran journalist Listowell Yesu Bukasin a osaye PRO for the club during Dr. KK Sapon mreso no, or say enam say structures beside me currently no, and only a contributing factor to the reason why Inter Kotoko lose to what was so sad. We and Otroye egu ni Facebook or say I saw West Times with both Herbert Mensah and Dr. KK administration in the early stages of our takeovers. Or say West Times during Dr. KK Sapon time no any Herbert Mensah time no West Ham by but still mutimi call my name 10 in your man. Also it turned out that those two administrative remained for me the best to have happened to Kotoko in recent times. Or say but still now they became the best. Akin to the despicable position of the Black Stars, Kotoko woes are far beyond coaching saddles. Or saying Kotoko problem no is beyond coaching saddles. Let us say go beyond coaching. Or say maybe, just maybe, we need leadership across the tide. Or say just maybe, you hear leadership or Kotoko or the across the tide. Kotoko must rise about this. And also Kotoko for life. And also folks thinking unconventionally. Listowell no. On the time, yeah, thinking unconventionally. As someone Listowell can no. Or say coaching, the problems are Kotoko when it goes beyond coaching. But maybe who say the coach has to wear the biggest cap of blame. And what do you mean?